this is the hole for the screw, and this is the 3 holes over there and over there. No, sorry, then here you have the main plate, which is with triple circles, like here. So there are 3 holes and a place for the screws. So you use 3 simple bars.
Right, yeah.
That goes into here, into here, and into here.
Right.
And then you have the screw with the head. Go into here, and then yes, there are two. Here, here, and here, and the main one over there. So if you put it with the side view, you have the screw going into the main plate, hold everything. Then you have the smaller screws over there, and this, but before they put the screws, they give the position of the bridge using simple bars over there and over there.